Okay, in my series on how to get started into wood turning, this is number 4, and it has to do with sandpaper. It's going to be short and quick. When I first started, first thing I did is I scrounged around my shop and I looked for what I had, and that's what I used. And if I only had up to 200, guess what? That bowl only went to 200. Then I started buying and buying and buying, and I have, if you were to stack it all up, probably 2 inches of various packages and grits and stuff. Just stop. Here's what you do. I went out and I bought this pack right here. Not sponsored, okay? I went to Amazon and I bought this, okay? And what this is, these are Duragold. I guess that's the manufacturer's name. Haven't got a clue. Performance ceramic purple mesh. I love these. And this particular one, let's see if I can get, well, I can't. It's the assortment pack. So look for the assortment pack. And it has everything, I think, from 80 to 600 in there. Okay, I keep looking down here because this is how I do it. Okay, they're stacked up like this. And I start with my sandpaper stack like this. So this is the first one. And I'm getting sawdust everywhere. And this is an 80. Okay, so I start sanding with 80. And these are mesh. You notice these aren't all clogged. Yeah, they got some sawdust on it, but they're not clogged. That's what I like about these. And what I like about having the whole kit is that's it. Okay, I don't have to pull out and sort through, because if you go and you get sheets that you cut up, and now you got piles of, it just makes a mess. This is so much more organized. Anyway, I work my way through the progression and then I flip it over. So there's 80. This one here is 120. Anyway, it works all the way on down to 600. Okay, I don't have a 600 in this deck. I only go to 400 because of what I've been working on lately. And then on top of that, I got some steel wool, and that's my final. So my advice on sandpaper, to get started, because you're a beginner now, you're not advanced, you're not an expert, you're just a beginner, is to get yourself one of these. Okay, get the assortment, and it's going to save so much space and so much headache of trying to cut. You buy a sheet, you cut it into smaller pieces that are usable, and now it doesn't say, the piece you have doesn't say that it's 120 grit or whatever. So now you got to throw it away. Anyway, my advice on sandpaper for the beginner is to get something like this, and you're good to go. That's all you'll need. Thanks for watching.